Hailey Bieber's signature makeup look. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I have done a tutorial on this Hailey Bieber's signature makeup look. And so when it comes to Hailey Bieber's makeup, she just mostly focuses on skincare rather than actual makeup. So that's what I have attempted to do as well. And let's get right into it. First I'm gonna start with my toner. Next I'm going to use this Snail Mucin. It's like, it feels really hydrating on my skin and gives like a dewy finish. And then on to my moisturizer. So I have really dry skin and this one works well for me. And now sunscreen. This one is new. So we are going to go in with a little bit of concealer. I'm just going to use my fingers for that natural look. And now I'll just set my concealer with a little bit of powder, mostly only just under eyes. The rest I'm just gonna dab on my forehead and on the chin. And now I'm going to use this bronzer. It can be used as a bronzer and contour. And I'm just using my fingers. I'll just use it on my brow bone as well. And now I'm going to use the Rhode blush. This is in the shade this is Pocket Blush in the shade Toasted Terry. It's such a warm toned blush and it's super pigmented. I think I just put on a little bit too much, but this is how it looks. I'm also blush blinded most of the times. We are going to take the blush on the forehead as well. And this is how it looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on my eyelid as well. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of this thing. It's a nice pink tint. And of course, like if you have seen Hailey Bieber's makeup looks, she is just fond of blushes and like bronzer and stuff. Her looks are mostly sun-kissed, bronzed kind of makeup looks, and that's what I'm going for. Also put on a little bit tint on my chin and on the forehead as well. This is how it looks, and I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use this Rhode lip balm. By the way, you don't need to use the exact same products that I'm using, like the Rhode lip balm, the Rhode blush. They're not available in India. My friend got them for me from Canada, but you can use the same products in a similar tone or shade or whatever suits your skin tone the best. The point here is you achieve this look with a good skincare, with a good skin, and then the sun-kissed makeup look, mostly just focusing on the blush and bronzer. And now I'm gonna use a brown lip liner, and you need to use a brown one in particular. I'm just gonna highlight the cupid's bow a little bit higher than my original, and then my natural lip line, and then on the bottom lip my natural lip line, and a little bit lower in the center. So this is gonna make your lips fuller. Now I'm going to just blend it into the lip balm a little bit. Like Hailey Bieber's makeup looks are so flawless. There are no harsh lines or anything. It looks very skin-like and natural, so that's what I'm achieving. I hope to achieve. So that's what my lip is looking like. I'm not gonna add any lipstick or anything because I just feel that it will be too much. And we are going to keep this as is, and I'm going to go ahead and use this brown lip liner to add some freckles around my nose and cheeks. Just gonna soften them up a little bit, like blending into the skin. I am also going to add a brown like liner sort of situation. And I think we are done, and this is how it looks. So this is how it looks in the natural light. I think I did a pretty nice job on this look because I guess it has turned out just like I wanted it to be. It is bronzy, sun-kissed, natural looking, no makeup look. Let me know how you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one.